down. Cool, that's what's up. Alright guys, hope you guys are feeling good and in a good place and did your breathing, your calm down moment, okay, for the week. It is Fantabulous Friday, guys, okay? Friday, okay? Alright guys, so I am back with another mukbang, okay? So right now, I just want to share with you guys what I am fixing. So I'm going to have some Hashbrowns. Delicious Hashbrowns. Need to put a little bit more olive oil in here. And these are some vegetarian, meatless, vegan breakfast patties. Okay, that would be this here, meatless breakfast patties. Okay, so that's, see, it says vegan, so you guys can see that it's vegan. Alright, so that's what these are. And my Hashbrowns, got that going down, and we're going to have some eggs, and that's what I'm going to be eating in my mukbang, guys. So, in a minute. Alright, guys, I am back. Okay, food is all done. Okay, so this is my breakfast mukbang, and this is what I shared with you guys that I was cooking. Okay, it's just some delicious hash browns and a vegan breakfast patty and some eggs, guys. You kind of see which way to look. Okay, that should do it. All right, so got me some cold water. I boil my water and freeze it, so some delicious H2O, guys. Okay, so I tried to do my hair over. Still gonna do it again. I'm gonna end up doing it again, but I'm so glad that it's grown as far as it has. I'm just so happy because it's actually long, guys. It's really long. Look at that. When I straighten this, it's like way down here. Okay, like, so it's like right here, literally, when I straighten it. Okay, guys, so I'm about to dig in. I've decided too, guys, that I'm going to do the chicken nugget challenge. I don't eat meat. Okay, none of us, we don't eat meat. We're pescatarians, making vegan moves. And what I've decided I'm going to do is going to have some vegan chicken nuggets. That's what I'm going to do. Some vegan chicken nuggets, and I will be doing this soon, so look out for that upload. Guys, I was craving some hash browns. Oh my God. It's so good. I got garlic on them, pepper and stuff like that. So they come with green peppers and red peppers. So that's what's up. Scrambled cheese eggs. I have been doing good not to have bread. My nose is kind of runny, a little stuffy. So yes, guys, I've been doing really good. I have not had any bread since Monday. I started this on Monday, and I will not have any bread, and not much when I do eat some again. It's going to be next week, probably starting on Monday, but it's going to be off and on. I'm still not going to eat it like I was doing at first. So whew. I am so happy to say that I won in um what's her name? Loves Loves Lovely. What's her name? Well, it's gonna be right here. So you can see it. I was one of her picks for a gift card. So thank you so much, love. I appreciate you. That was so awesome. I love her channel. Go check her out, guys. She's amazing. She do mukbangs. Okay. Eating all kinds of different stuff. She's a beautiful person. She just loves everybody. Same here. So it's nothing like having YouTubers to coincide with one another and just show each other lots of love. And that's what I love to do. So I've been checking out channels. Believe me, I'm watching other YouTubers that follows me. So so make sure you guys are checking out my last dropped video or vlog. I should be dropping another one. This one was about sorry, trying to wait till I finish swallowing. Horoscope. So you guys should see that, the horoscope. See me get the scoop on your scope. So into these hash browns. Cannot get enough. So guys, I'm also thinking about doing a hash brown challenge. See how much hash browns you can eat. What do you guys think? Comment below if you think that's a good idea. And also comment, guys, anything you guys want to see me eat. That's a good one. Also, guys, I want you to comment if you like my channel. If you're enjoying my channel. I mean, if you're here, I know you would actually be liking it, but like, just comment. You think it's cool? I'm going to be still doing workouts and stuff like that and smoothies, so that's coming up. And I'm not going to lie to you guys. In all honesty, one of the reasons I haven't done the workout on camera yet is because I was having some situations where I was trying to get myself comfortable because I was kind of going through a little something with my health, my iron again. So, but sometimes things just trigger back and you don't know what happened. I've been taking my iron. It just, I don't know. Talk about that more later. But I have been doing a little bit of working out. Not as much as I usually do. I usually do like workout like mad. I love to work out. Oh my God. Ever since martial arts, I've been crazy about working out. Even more. Because I was working out before that too, but could not wait to eat. These vegan patties are so freaking good. These are breakfast patties, but they are delicious, guys. I'm going to do something as soon as I'm done eating. At the end of this video. You guys are probably going to crack up. It's like 2.5. But I always say stay healthy as you possibly can. Do what you can. Work out. Do low impact workouts. I actually have a video I did where it's called the lazy workout. What does that look like, right? But it's on my channel. You have to go down or in the playlist and you'll find it. I might try to post it in the description for you guys to see it. Or at the end of the video, I don't know. Try to have it pop up on the screen or either in the description. Or both. I don't know. So always try to move your body in some way. Some kind of way. Look what I was eating on here. I have it actually stacked up on top of my other thing here, but this is the twist. This is actually a full body workout. Waist trainer disc. You guys are going to see me on this sometimes. I've been on it before. All of us queens have. Okay? So, hold on, guys. Alright guys. So that's what I have for you at the end of the vlog, or the mukbang video. And that's something I'm going to be doing. So after I eat, hit a move, bust a move, guys, okay? It's my bust a move. See me's bust a move right after my mukbang. Okay, so if you guys like that, give me thumbs up, guys. Thumb it up, thumb it up. If you guys want to see me do that some more, I will. I love dancing. I love being silly. I just be. But I'm having fun here, guys, okay? So, alright. So, hope you enjoyed that. That was just a little something special at the end, guys. Alright, so, let me take me a swallow of water. Woo. Okay. Whew. That felt good though. I love it. So a lot more of that to come. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Okay. Like and subscribe. And I just want to thank you all for being here. Thank you for joining me. Okay. So I will see you guys next time. It's been a wrap, a snap, and a crap. And this is your girl Queen Simi. And I am out. Peace. Thank you so much for watching FizzFam Loyals, and please be sure to turn on that post notification bell.